Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to configure a class of service, or COS, value for ARP reply packets on a FortiGate VLAN interface to help ensure successful ARP resolution in congested networks. In our example, a client PC connects to the FortiGate through a switch. The switch is configured to prioritize traffic based on its COS value. Packets marked with COS 0 receive the lowest priority, while packets marked with COS 7 receive the highest priority. During network congestion, packets marked with COS 0 may be dropped so that higher priority traffic can be forwarded. Let's begin by reviewing the VLAN interface configuration. The COS value can be configured only from the CLI. By default, ARP packets leaving a VLAN interface have the value COS 0. Based on the switch configuration used in this example, these packets may be dropped during network congestion. As a result, ARP reply packets sent by the FortiGate may not reach the client PC. Without the ARP reply, the client cannot learn the MAC address of its default gateway and therefore cannot access the Internet through the FortiGate. Let's verify this by attempting to access the Internet from the client PC. As expected, the connection fails. Now, let's check the ARP table on the client PC. The IP address 6661 is configured as the client's default gateway. It is also the IP address of the FortiGate VLAN interface. As we can see, the incomplete entry indicates that the client has not learned the corresponding MAC address and that ARP resolution has failed. The arp-egress-cos setting supports COS values from 0 through 7, with 0 as the default. Now, let's set arp-egress-cos to cos 7 on the VLAN interface and repeat the step. This time, the client successfully accesses the Internet after egress cost is configured to 7. The FortiGate now marks its outgoing ARP packets with COS 7 instead of the default COS 0. Because the switch no longer drops these higher priority ARP reply packets, the client successfully receives the ARP reply and learns the FortiGate MAC address. Let's confirm this by checking the ARP table on the client PC. As expected, the MAC address associated with 6661 now appears in the table, confirming that ARP resolution completed successfully. This concludes our demonstration of configuring COS values for ARP reply packets to help ensure successful ARP resolution in congested networks. Thank you for watching.